said that you've been hurt one too many times.
Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. Have you all wondered homemaking is such a refined form of art, delicately blending functionality with aesthetic grace? Each element meticulously arranged within our home canvas reflect that artistic keen eyes for harmony and for balance. From arrangement of furnishings to selecting the decor, each and every decision is imbued with intention of creating an atmosphere of warmth and tranquility. We homemakers craft a living space that not only shelters but also nurtures the spirit. This daily life canvas, homemaking emerges as a timeless expression of our devotion and creativity.
Though you're earthbound,
There is something truly magical about expressing yourself through art. It could be any form of art: painting, drawing, sculpting, writing, homemaking, cooking, any of it. It has an incredible power to heal mind, body, and soul. But don't get me wrong, healing through art isn't about just creating something pretty to look at. It's all about diving deep into the depth of your souls, confronting your fears, and embracing those vulnerabilities which we hide from everyone. Whether you're painting a masterpiece, or just doodling in the journal, or crafting something with your own two hands, each stroke, each line, each shape is a form of self-expression. And through that, we are healing. It allows you to confront your very own inner demons head on, transform them into something absolutely mesmerizingly beautiful. It's a journey of self-discovery, self-acceptance, and self-love.
Okay, I'm just gonna do this for you. No, I want to do it. This is very bad. I can do it, Isha. Wait.
You want me to restart that?
No, wait. I want to find subtraction.
So basically, depending on which category it falls on, you have to put it in that category.
Hey, this is too easy, Isha. This is baby game.
And
So I'm going to guess this way. Our old trick. Hey. This is very bad. My only thing left is I'm just going to get hand. What do you think it is? I just don't. I don't believe I'm. Nay!
game over.
I have been enjoying crafting and sculpting a lot lately. And that is why you see a lot of these beautiful DIYs on my video. For upcoming festive season, I want to do some handmade decor. And parrot was one of them. I had some green and red felt fabric lying around. I cut them into strip and stuck it together. Take the two ends and put the smaller end on top and longer length at the bottom. Take another ribbon and pass it through this loop as shown. Hold it with other fingers. We won't be needing right now. Now just take this loose end of the second ribbon and put it down under the first long ribbon, like so. Now this first long tail ribbon, we will wrap it around. And now hold it with your thumb. We have created a loop and we'll take the second ribbon's tail and push it through the loop. Now hold both the ends on opposite sides and just pull it together. And your parrot's body is ready. We'll add a beak and stick the tail and the top body with hot glue gun or any other fabric adhesive. Using a permanent marker or a black acrylic paint, we'll create the eyes and just make slits at the feather end to create the tail.
You're so, you were made with love. You were made with love. You were made with love for this world.
Next week, I'll be sharing with you a complete festive decor along with some delicious recipes.
Silence speaks under our feet. The roots signal across the land.
I also want to add another DIY for this next week's tablescape. I'm creating these beautiful pinwheels. I have chosen multicolor papers and cut them in triangles. You can also use newspapers or brown papers. They equally look good. You can use some white papers and use some colors alternatively. That also is a great idea. Don't be limited by what supplies you have. Look around in your own home what exactly you already have. Use them and bring it with a pinch of creativity and you'll have a masterpiece ready. Now stick all these triangles at a 90-degree from each other, just as shown. Now start sticking the tail end in the center with help of a glue. Here I have used hot glue gun because it was faster. But PVA glue works just fine. Add a circle cutout in the center and create one paper stick.
Just want a bed. Let's find a brook or stream, my friend.
Create a small paper stick and stick a pin right in the center. Put the small paper stick at the back. Pin the longer paper stick in the pin and add a small drop of hot glue to seal it with some form of tape or foam.